Okay, we're going to make a mold using your standard gold label. Sorry, I can hardly talk. The gold label from Castaldo. So what we do is I take like a pen and I just draw a line across here so we can measure how big of pieces we need. Kind of like that. Now you can buy these in pre-cut if you want, but I thought I'd do it this way. And we just take a scissors, cut these out. So depending on your mold frame, you want to have about 2 pieces over the edge of the mold frame. So let's see, if we stack these up like so, and you set them next to your mold frame, you want them to be about 2 pieces taller. So what I would do is I would put powder down on the mold holder, and then now you can take this, make sure your hands are clean. You can leave on the yellow part on the bottom piece. So I have a square mold frame here that I got from a company called Roseco. And leaving that paper on will help with pulling the mold out of here. It makes it easier. So on the next layer, pull off both sides. Since this is going to be 3 deep, I'm going to take and I'm going to cut kind of a V out here. And I'll show you what that's for in a minute. So now, pull off both sides again. Now see how like one side has a pattern on it, the other side is flat. It doesn't matter which way it goes. It'll still vulcanize and adhere together. So by cutting that out, I can take my little sprue former here and I can put it in there. And so then on the next piece, I'll do the same thing. I'll cut out the little V here. We got our piece here. Just going to butt that right up to there. Just like that. Now another good thing, say you have kind of a deep mounting there, it's always good to take a little bit of mold rubber. Now this will be a mold that'll be cut apart. It's not going to be a powder separation. Although we could do that, but everybody's got to learn different ways of doing it. But if we put that in there, that'll help fill. So we take this part here, set it over that, push it down so it sticks together, just like that. Grab our next piece, push that down, and we'll take our last piece, Set that down like that. Now actually, see, I wasn't thinking, but I could have left the paper on. I guess might stick back down, but we'll just pull it off. And we'll talc this so that it comes off the mold frame. And we'll talc this part too. And we will hook that down. So the toaster oven has been on for a while, about 10 minutes. It's heated itself up to about 330, 350. That temperature seems to work really good with this mold holder. So we tighten that down, try and get it even. So now it's ready to go into the toaster oven, and then when it's done, I'll pull it out and we'll see about cutting it. Thank you.